So hopefully you've opened up the exercise called Space Exercise that's available on this page. And you can see that we've got a field with three main objects. We've got two cows, cow 1 over here in the layer section, cow 2, and then if we scroll down just a little bit, you can see there's a UFO. And then there are a whole bunch of other layers that are kind of colored. We've got these green foreground, midground, and horizon, and then these blue skies. And what this is going to allow you to do is you can, if you'd like, for instance, let's take the UFO, I can move the UFO back behind this. And if I use the move tool, you can see here that I can move that UFO behind different layers of the sky. There it is, hiding there. All right, so this kind of idea will allow us to create more of a sense of depth. We can do the same thing as well with our cows. But we do run into an issue, right? So I'm moving these back and forth. I need to actually have the ability to change the shape because this cow looks gigantic back here compared to where everything else is in the horizon. So to change this, the size of any of your images, you're going to use the free transform tool. You can do that by going up to Edit and choose free transform right here. Don't do that though. Don't ever do that. You're going to use this a lot. A great keyboard command to learn, Command T. All right, that's going to put a bounding box around this. And then if we just drag down, we can change the shape and size of our cow. Hit enter to have that occur. We can do the same thing with our UFO, Command T. And if we go over to the corner here, you can see that it goes from kind of this scaling size here. I can even rotate it a little bit when you get those kind of curved items on the corner here. All right, so but we want more, right? We want to have a fleet of UFOs going against a whole bunch of cows. So how do we duplicate our layers? There's a couple of different ways. Let's say we want to have another UFO. If we just drag that UFO down to this little square with a plus, well, it doesn't look like much has happened, but if we look here, we see a UFO copy, and if we drag, you can see we have another copy. We can do this even quicker by holding down Command and J. Whatever's selected will make it'll make another one of those. All right, and then we can just kind of move these around. Now, by default, when I move this, it's going to kind of not allow me to do this. So if we click on this auto select, turning that off, which it'll be on by default, now it will just move whichever layer I have. All right, so we can go through, do some more transformations. Whoops. And kind of give us a sense of space and overlapping by using both scale and overlapping. So that's your assignment. Go through, make a bunch of cows, make a bunch of UFOs, move them around, and once you're done, take about 10 to 20 minutes on this. Once you're done, save it with your name and upload it to the assignment sheet. All right, good luck and happy flying, I guess.